Hey folks, welcome back to JW's Garage, and as you read in the title, I can't even believe I'm saying this. We are repainting the C5 Corvette. By the time we get to the end of this series of videos, you should have the confidence and the ability and the knowledge to repaint your own car or pieces of your car if you should need to do so. When painting a C5 Corvette, to do this the right way, most of the car is going to have to come apart. That does include taking the doors off of the car and taking the mirrors off and the door handles out, hood, headlight, doors, bumpers, fenders, quarter panels, rear bumper, roof. First thing you do to get started doing that is put your car up on jack stands. Once you got it up on jack stands, go around it with a tape measure, make sure that the car is perfectly level so that when you take the car apart and put it back together, everything lines up. Take your wheels and tires off. You're going to need access to your inner fender wells to get your fenders and things like that off. I'm not going to be showing you how to assemble and disassemble your C5 Corvette, and it's not that I don't want to. It's just my car is heavily modified. There's a lot of pieces and parts that are fabricated on this. So there's no sense in showing you because my car is going to be vastly different. All right. Now, got your wheels and tires off, got the car up in jack stands. It's all nice and level. Make yourself a to-do list, okay? When you get into these really long projects, make yourself to-do list and break it down into categories so that you have those little triumphs and you can see the progress that you're making. That's how I get through this stuff. So I broke it down between bumper, hood, fenders, headlight, doors, roof, the actual doors, the rear bumper, Z06 conversions. For those of you that have been tuning in since the beginning of this channel, you know I've owned this car since 1999. For those of you just tuning in, I've owned this car since 1999. I've owned it as a coupe. I'm tired of looking at the coupe body. I want to see what it looks like as a Z06. I like the Z06 body, but what I am going to do is I am going to retain the targa roof on here. And if my research is correct, and you guys by all means let me know in the comments down below, I think this is going to be the very first C5 Corvette coupe to Z06 conversion ever published on YouTube. All right, back over here. I got all the cordless batteries charged up. I got my light sticks that I always talk about. Love those darn things. And of course, I will put links to those down in the comments below. Over here, got my magnetic trays, my screwdrivers, all my Milwaukee cordless stuff. Guys, the prices on these things with the inflation right now, they're going up daily. I think you can still get this 1/2-inch impact for about $245 if you go watch my other video. But I'll put links to all this stuff below. But if there's any cordless tools you were wanting, if you have the free money right now, go get it because the prices are going up. I got all my sockets, I got my ratchets, I've got my spit juice for when this really stresses me out. I've got my sandwich bags, I've got markers. I had a marker, I don't know where it went. Over here, that's where a lot of the pieces and parts are going to go as they come off of the car. And other than that, I think that's about it. Guys, just going to jump right into this. I'm going to go ahead and label anything that needs to be repaired, replaced, and in this case, if you saw the last video, I swapped over some of the interior lighting to the LEDs, so I got some of the bulbs left over, so any place that has a old incandescent bulb, that's a 194, I'm taking it out and I'm putting these LEDs in their place. And then we'll just put these harnesses out of our way. That's where my coil packs are, so that they're not sitting on top of the engine. And then those are all tailor-made wires that make their way through and snake through and deliver the zap, zap. You know, anyhow. Guys, that's where I'm going to call this video. I'm going to finish getting the other side apart. You take the headlight doors off, and next video is going to be starting getting pieces and parts all prepped up for this. So hope you tune in. If you like this video, excited to see the next one, leave us a thumbs up, join us over at Patreon, and maybe help us afford to pay for all this crap. And we will catch you next week. I will get a video uploaded every week until this one is done. So thanks for tuning in. We will see y'all next time.